Our newspaper hit the nail on the head when they stated even our detours have detours. We got an early start on the road rebuilding, and while it's good for some, it's just another month of inconvenience to others. A really big deal is the final phase of the Algonquin Street reconstruction. We started a few years ago by taking away the old CN rail trestle and four-laning Algonquin. We're now at the section at the Pro Cathedral, and this is going to become a grand entrance into the downtown. We're putting a boulevard of trees down the middle of Algonquin Avenue and cobblestoning the entire area, sort of a grand piazza. I can hardly wait. Seymour is seeing some major improvements, and the final lift of asphalt will finish off Trout Lake Road. Castle Street is also undergoing some serious improvements, and a new commercial lot will be for sale where we took the dip out. The finishing touches will start on Gormanville Road and the roundabout as well as McEwen.